Alright everybody, this is Andaleeb and today is 17th of August and the time is almost 6:30 of the evening and I am back. For past 2 days I did not make a video and I told you in my video of Friday that I was not going to make the videos on Saturday and Sunday as I was going to my home. I went to my home because there was a function at one of my relatives and I had to attend it. One of my cousin brother, he got engaged, therefore I had to go there. And yesterday was the engagement ceremony and it was fine, okay? It was fine. I enjoyed it because there was not so much pressure on me to be among the crowd. I was just in my car. I was just sitting in my car with my AC on. I was just chilling inside of my car. Okay, otherwise I had to be present among with the crowd. Okay, I just hate the crowd. I just hate being around the crowd. And yesterday there was no compulsion like of this type, so therefore I was just in my car with my AC on and I was just chilling. So it was comfortable, it was good. And overall the program was fine. My brother got engaged and there is this weird stuff at my side. The person who is getting engaged, he does not get to be present at his own engagement ceremony, because my brother who was going to get engaged yesterday, who got engaged yesterday, he did not go to that place where this engagement ceremony was organized. We went there, me and the family of that brother. Okay, just we went there and there were the relatives. We just went there. The only person that did not go there was that person who was going to get engaged. Listen to this. That person is going to get married, that person is going to get engaged, and that person is not allowed to be present on that engagement ceremony. It is really stupid. I don't know what happens at my place, but it happens in my place. There was this engagement ceremony of one of my other brother about a year ago, and he was also not allowed to go there, and it is really stupid. Okay, I used to think, when I did not attend any of this engagement ceremony, I used to think that all of these engagement ceremony would be like what we see on TVs, that the bride and groom, the boy and girls, would just sit beside one another and they would just exchange fingers. They would just exchange ring fingers. Okay, they would just they would just exchange rings onto the fingers of each other. I used to think that these would be the kind of engagements that would happen at my place too. But no, the groom, the boy, he did not even get to attend these engagement ceremonies, and I was like, how stupid is this? But it happens at my place. The family of the boy would just go to the place where this engagement ceremony is being organized, and they would just exchange some things. They would just give them the side of the woman, the side of the male, they would just give the side of the female some clothes. They would just give them some ring fingers, and the other side would also do the same. They would just give them some money, they would just give them some ring fingers, they would give them some clothes and all these kind of things. So it is really stupid. Okay, the person who is going to get engaged, he is not allowed to be a part of that engagement ceremony. Stupid. But it was good. But all of the time I have attended 2 engagement ceremonies, and all of the time the onus of organizing this program is all on the female side. The female side, the family of the boy, the family of the girl, they have to organize this program either at their house or at some of this marriage halls or these banquet halls. They have to do this. They have to hire these halls and they have to organize these programs. All of the food and all these kind of things, they are on them. We just go there, we just eat, we just do these things, just give them some rings, give them some clothes, and get something back in return from them, and just leave that place. So these are the kind of engagements that happen at my place. So this engagement got over at almost 6 of the evening, and we came back to my home because we went to that place by our car. So we just sat in our car and we came back. And today morning I got up and I left for Bareilly. I left for my college today morning. My parents were still sleeping. I just woke my little brother and said to him that he should just lock the door when I go out. So I went out and he locked the door and he went back to sleep. My parents were still sleeping and he went back to sleep as well. At around 6 in the morning, I left my house and I left here for Bareilly. And when I was coming, okay, it was really hard to find a bus. It was really hard to find a bus because it is Monday of Savan ka Somvar, and there were a lot of Kamadiyas on the road, and the road here to Bareilly was blocked. I should say the road here to Bareilly was blocked. Okay, no buses were going there, so therefore I had to hire a car. There was this person who was going to Lucknow and he was alone, therefore he thought that he should make some money, therefore he took four of us people were coming to Bareilly, and therefore he invited us to his car. We sat there and he charged us some money, but he left us here. Even with the car, it took a lot of time. It took almost 2.5 hours to reach here in Bareilly from Rampur, because we had to take a long road, because the usual route to Bareilly was closed. Therefore we had to circle a lot. And after that I missed my class, because my first class was at 9 in the morning and I could not reach at 9. Therefore I attended the class at 10. Okay, so it was really stupid today. Okay, and what should I talk about? Okay, I don't know. It has become a problem with me. I cannot find topics to make the videos on. Okay, and I did not feel like to make a video today, but I don't know. I just pushed myself that I had to do this. Okay, I cannot take breaks just on my whims. I cannot just take breaks from making this video just because I want to take breaks. Okay, I cannot do this. I need to be consistent. I don't know why, because I'm not getting any results of this. I'm not getting any fruits of my labor because of this. But I don't know. I just have to be consistent. I just have to put in the work. God is there. I don't know. God is there to give me. The universe is there. My hard work is there to give me, the benefits of this labor. But I don't know. So far, I have not gotten any. Okay, so what should we talk about? Today, Nitin Naveen has got a new BJP team. Okay, there was a lot of reshuffle in the BJP organization. Smriti Irani is back in the BJP organization. He has been made the national secretary of organization of the UP, as UP elections are going to take place next year, and she has been appointed as the national secretary of the BJP organization of UP, as she is from UP as well, and she lost the 2024 election. After that, she was sidelined from the cabinet, and she was sidelined from the BJP as well. But she has made a comeback now. She has been appointed as the national secretary of the BJP of UP. And Amit Malviya, the BJP IT cell chief, he has been sacked. He will be given some other job, I do not know, but so far he has not been given any other post. And Deepak Maske from Chhattisgarh, he has been appointed as the new BJP IT cell chief. I do not know nothing about him. I have never heard about him, but he is from Chhattisgarh and he is a chemistry professor. Okay, and Ram Madhav is also back in the BJP. He was once a national secretary of the BJP. After that, he was sacked. Now he has made a comeback as well. And Piyush Goyal, the Minister of Trade and Commerce, the Union Minister of Trade and Commerce, he has been appointed as the national treasurer of the BJP. He is going to, keep an eye on the funds of the BJP. He has been appointed as the national treasurer of the BJP. And yeah, this is it. I do not have any other topic to talk about. I just yapped. I just, ran my mouth about 7 to 8 minutes about that engagement ceremony that I attended yesterday, and about a minute, just for about a minute, I talked about politics, and this channel is to talk about politics. I don't know what the fuck is happening with me. Okay, I got to get my shit together. I don't know what else should I talk about. I'm just waiting for this video to be of 10 minutes. I don't know, there is something between me and this 10-minute mark. I just want my every video to be of 10 minutes. Nothing shorter than this. I do not want any video to be shorter than 10 minutes. It can go any longer. It can push, above 10 plus mark at any extent. but I do not want these videos to be shorter than 10 minutes. So yeah, I think I should go now because I do not have any other topic to talk about, and my mind is really off today. Okay, my mood is really off today as well. Okay, so it was really nice talking to you guys. This is Anleep signing off. Have a great rest of your evening.